Good afternoon students, welcome back to online maths class. So in the previous class we have started with the exercise 1.1 and we have solved up to the third main question. So in today's class let us take up the fourth main question, and the question is write the following sets in the set builder form. So here we have 5 cases and all of them are in the roster form or the tabular form. We have to write these in the set builder form. In the set builder form we have to make use of a single common property. So take up the first one. The elements are 3, 6, 9, 12. So 3 can be written as 3 into 1 and 6 can be written as 3 into 2 and 9 can be written as 3 into 3 and 12 can be written as 3 into 4. So here 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3 and then 3 into 4. So these are the multiples of 4. 3, 6, 9, 12 are multiples of 4. So here I will be writing this in the set builder form using a single common property. See here. So here the first one, the answer for the first one, take this as the set A, capital A. So here x such that x which is equals to 3n, x which is equals to 3n, multiples of 3n ತಗೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು. Then what is n here? It is a natural number. N belongs to capital N. Natural number means the number start from 1. That is why I have taken 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. And then what is the condition or limitation for n? Small n can be 4 or less than 4. It should not go beyond 4, because if we take 3 into 5 it is 15. 15 is not there in the given set. So what I do is and n greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 4, and n less than or equal to 4. So this is the condition for n. N can be 1 or greater than 1 and n can be 4 or less than 4. So here this is the answer for the first case. So I will be taking the second case now. So observe the pattern here in the second case. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Overall you have 5 elements or 5 objects in the given set. So 2 is nothing but 2 raised to 1 and 4 can be written as 2 square, 8 2 cube, 16 2 raised to 4, 32 2 raised to 5. So all these elements or the objects are in the 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. So here by making use of a single common property, this can be written as x such that x which is equals to 2 raised to n, 2 to the power n, and n belongs to capital N. N is a natural number here, and what is the condition for n? N can be 1 or greater than 1 and n is less than or equal to 5. Andre n ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕ್ರಿ 1 2 3 4 5 ಇರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ small n value. So that is why 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5. So this is the condition for n. So let us take up the Roman number 3. 5, 25, 125, 625. 5 is nothing but 5 raised to 1 and 25 is 5 to the power 2. 125 is 5 to the power 3. 625 is 5 to the power 4. So all these elements are 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 4. So by making use of a single common property, we can write this roster form in the set builder form. So C which is equals to x such that x which is equals to 5 to the power n, and here n belongs to n. That means n must be a natural number. And what is the condition for n? And 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4. Now take up the fourth one here. What is the fourth one? It is 2, 4, 6 and so on. So what observe these numbers now? These are even natural numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and it goes on. These are even natural numbers. So here x such that x is an even natural number. An even natural number. X such that x is an even natural number. That's all. So now take up the last one. Observe the numbers now. 1, 4, 9, so on 100. So here 1 is nothing but 1 square. So 4, 2 square. And then 9, 3 square. Next number will be 16. So after that it will be 25, 36, 49 and then 64 and it continues up to 100. That means here we can make use of a single common property. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square and the 10 square. So here this can be written in the set builder form as E which is equals to x such that x is equals to n square. X equal to n square. And what is n here? N is a natural number. N belongs to capital N. And what is the condition for n now? You cannot take all the values. You can take from 1, either 1 or greater than 1, and you can take 10 or less than 10. So here the condition for n is 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 10. So substitute the values and get the answer here. So here I can take n as 1, 2, 3 and so on. If you take n as 2 square it is 4. So that means you get the second element. I have written this in the set builder form. So this is all about the fourth main question. So note down this and then we'll move on to the fifth main question. Well, the fifth main question it is list all the elements of the following sets. So here we have 6 cases and all the sets are in the set builder form. We have to write this in the roster form. That's what the question says. List all the elements means we have to write every element of this set which is possessing a single common property. Let us write them in the roster form. Take up the first one, A which is equals to x such that x is an odd natural number. Natural number means it should start from 1 and we have to take only the odd natural numbers. That means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So the answer for the first one it is A which is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7 and it continues and so on. Now the second question it is x such that x is an integer and then x is greater than -1/2 and less than 9/2. So here x must be an integer. He says x is an integer and then there is a condition for x. It must be greater than -1/2 and less than 9/2. 1/2 means it is 0.5. 9/2 means it is 4.5. So x has to be greater than -0.5 and less than plus 4.5. That means you can take the values as x as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You cannot take 5 because it should be less than 9/2. That means it is 4.5. So here if you consider the number line, so it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here we have -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Sankhya rekhe anta helthivi. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ x must be greater than -1/2. -1/2 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ in between 0 and -1. Here you get -1/2 and then 9/2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4.5. So 4.5 means it is in between 4 and 5. So here between these two you will have to take the values of x. Andre x ಏನಿರಬೇಕ್ರಿ minus 1.5 minus 1/2 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ 9/2 ಅಂದರೆ 4.5 ಅದರಿಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. That means we can take the values as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You cannot take 5 because it doesn't satisfy the given condition. So I will write this in the roster form now. So now the answer for this it is B, which is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. This is the answer for the second case. Let us take up the third case now. So x is such that x is a letter, x such that x is an integer and x square must be less than or equal to 4. So how do you consider the values of x now? So the square of that number either equal to 4 or less than 4. That is how you need to select the values of x. X is an integer. That means x can be negative value, x can be 0 and x can be positive value. So see here, according to this property, I will take some value minus 3 square and then minus 2 square and then minus 1 square and then 0 square plus 1 square plus 2 square and then plus 3 square. See here, minus 3 square will be 9 and then minus 2 square it is 4, minus 1 square it is 1, 0 square it is 0, 1, 2 square will be 4 and then 3 square it is 9. So see here, he says after taking this square, x square must be less than or equal to 4. ಅಂದರೆ x square ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಬರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ 4 ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ 4 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ 9 ಬಂದವ್ರಿ ಇವೆರಡು. So in these two cases we have 9. So after taking the square of the numbers, the number must be less than or equal to 4. The number can be 4 or less than 4. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ number can be 4 less than 4 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನೀವು -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. Only those numbers you can consider. So the answer for the third case will be so we'll write the third answer C, which is equals to -2 and then -1, 0, +1 and 2. So now take the square of all these numbers. So the number will be after taking the square and the result will be 4 or less than 4 and then we'll go for the next one, the fourth one. X such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So we have to write every letter of this particular word and which letter is repeating, that you have to write only once. So here L is repeating, you have to write only once. The answer for this is D, which is equals to L, comma O, comma Y, comma A. So the last letter is repeating, that we have already written. So now take up the next one. X such that x is a month of a year not having 31 days. So that means in a year, so in some months you will be having 30 days and in some months you will be having 31 days and in only one month, in the entire year, in only one month, that is February, you will be having either 28 days or 29 days. So here the question is, x is a month of a year not having 31 days ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಮಂತಲ್ಲಿ 31 ಡೇಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಆ ಮಂತದ್ದು ನಾವು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕೀಗ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಜನವರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 31 ಡೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಲೋ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ E, which is equals to February and then February, March will have 31 days and then April will be having 30 days, April, and then May again it will have 31 days and then it is June, so it is June, and then July will be having 31 days and then September, August will be having 31 days, September you will be having only 30 days. September, and then October will be having 31 days, and then it is November. November. So this is the answer for the fifth case. And then let us take up the last one now. X such that X is a consonant in the English alphabet. Andre X ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್ ರೀ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಕೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆ ಕಿನ ಹಿಂದಿನೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ and that letter must be a consonant. That means you will have to remove the vowels. See here, I will list the elements from, I will list the alphabets from A to K, and then we will have to remove the vowels. See here, we will write the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Hadre? So now see here, X such that X is a consonant. That means we should not take vowels. So what are the vowels now? A, E, I. These are the vowels. And then X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. Andre K kina hindinu. Hadre? We have to take the previous alphabets, previous letters, and which are the consonants. Andre you move bidbek now. A, E, I. We should not consider these three and write the remaining alphabet, the letters. It is B, C, D, F, G, H. So this will be the answer for the sixth case. F which is equals to B, C, D, B, C, D, F, G, H, F, G, H, and then J, and then J. So this is the answer for the sixth case. So this is all about the fifth main. Note down this, and then we'll move on to the last main, that is sixth main question. So the sixth main question, it is match the following. So in the left hand side, the sets are given in the roster form, and here in the right side, the sets are given in the set builder form. So we have to match them. See here, the first one, it is 1, 2, 3, 6, and the second set, it is 2, 3. The third one, it is all the letters are listed, and then the fourth one, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So now go through these sets in the right side, that is the part B. If you take this as a part A and this as a part B, and then X is a prime number and divisor of 6, and X is an odd natural number less than 10, and then X is natural number and divisor of 6, and X such that X is a letter of the word mathematics. So we'll go one by one now. X is a prime number and divisor of 6. What are the prime numbers? A number which is divisible by itself and 1, and such number is a prime number. ಇಲ್ಲಿ prime number ಯಾವ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So this cannot be the prime number. 6 cannot be the prime number because 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3. So that is why it is not a prime number. So here in this list, the prime numbers are 2, 3. 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. And here, if you take this as a set, here you have the 9. 9 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 3, as well it is divisible by 9. So the prime number is going to be 2, 3. So here 2 will be matching with the A. X is a prime number and a divisor of 6. So here 6 will be divisible by 2 and 3. Then take up the next one now. X is an odd natural number less than 10. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ odd natural number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಸ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this must be mapped with or matched with B. Then now take up the next one. X is natural number and divisor of 6. That means it is the first one. And then the last one, mathematics. So if you list all the letters of this word mathematics, so whichever letter is repeating, that you should not consider again. You should write it only once. So here it is. Third one is mapped with D. So the correct answer is, you have to write here answer. So the Roman number 1 should be mapped with C. And then second one, Roman number 2 is matching with A. It is A. And then here I will take Roman number 3. Roman number 3 is matching with the D. And then Roman number 4, it is B. So this is all about the 6 main. So with this we have completed the exercise 1.1. So complete this exercise, and in the next class we'll start with the next concept, that is empty set or the null set or the void set. That I will take up in the next class.